11 survival tools every adventurer should have. Nite's emergency whistle. When your voice gives out and you're miles from cell service, the whistle can become your lifeline. The Nite's emergency whistle is deceptively simple but incredibly powerful. It's built with a flat, ultra-lightweight design that can blast out a piercing 100 decibel signal, loud enough to carry through dense forests or echo across valleys. This isn't just a child's whistle. It's designed for survival, with a non-corroding, waterproof body that works in rain, snow, and extreme cold. Imagine falling into a ravine and breaking an ankle. Your phone's dead, you can't climb out, and there's no one in sight. That whistle is your voice. And while it might feel like an afterthought to toss it on your keychain, it can be the loudest sound when it matters most. Fiskars X7 Hatchet. If you're heading into the wilderness without a hatchet, you're essentially agreeing to struggle. The Fiskars X7 Hatchet isn't just a tool. It's a survival extension of your arm. This compact beast delivers chopping power that punches way above its size thanks to its perfectly balanced weight and ultra-sharp blade made from hardened steel. Whether you're splitting kindling for a fire or crafting shelter in the rain, the Fiskars X7 is a reliable companion that's durable, ergonomic, and so well designed it almost feels like cheating. But don't be fooled by its clean finish. This is a workhorse made to take a beating. Lose your stove? It'll help you build a fire. Need to break ice or defend yourself in a worst-case scenario? This hatchet has your back. Rite in the Rain Notebook. Survival isn't just about fire and knives, it's also about information. The Rite in the Rain Notebook proves that even in a world of apps and GPS, paper still has its place. This isn't your average notebook. It's designed with patented weatherproof paper that literally shrugs off water, mud, snow, and grease. Think about how useful it is to record your coordinates, sketch maps, track weather patterns, or even jot emergency contact numbers when your electronics fail. Ever tried writing on a soggy napkin? Not fun. This notebook ensures you're never without a reliable way to document critical information. Even in the middle of a downpour or a snowstorm, it's the small tool that keeps your mind organized when nature gets chaotic. Katadyn Bee-Free Water Filter. Clean drinking water can mean the difference between life and dehydration-induced delirium. The Katadyn Bee-Free Water Filter is a game-changer because of its lightweight, flexible design and fast flow rate. It filters up to 2 liters per minute and removes bacteria, protozoa, and debris from almost any natural water source. Imagine you're hiking through the Andes and your water bottle runs dry. This filter lets you safely drink from rivers, lakes, or even puddles with minimal effort. It collapses to almost nothing when empty, fits easily into any backpack pocket, and requires no complicated setup. Honestly, if you're only going to pack one hydration solution, this is the one that keeps you alive and moving. GoZero Nomad 7 Solar Panel. In the wild, power is a rare luxury, and the GoZero Nomad 7 Solar Panel helps you keep that luxury without adding bulk. Designed to charge small devices like phones, GPS units, and rechargeable batteries, this foldable solar panel brings sustainable energy to your campsite. Whether you're tracking your location, lighting your path, or updating a survival log, having power can mean staying connected or getting rescued. But here's the kicker. It's designed for durability, with weatherproof fabric and solar cells that keep charging even in low-light conditions. The ability to harness the sun in the middle of nowhere? That's as close to wilderness magic as you'll get. Coghlan's Fishing Kit. When your food runs out, knowing how to source a meal becomes a matter of survival. Coghlan's Fishing Kit is compact, low-tech, and one of the most underrated tools you can carry. It includes hooks, sinkers, and line. Everything you need to fish in a pinch. This isn't for sport, it's for survival. Canned food runs out. Freeze-dried meals run out. Fish, they don't run out. At least not if you know what you're doing. It fits easily into any pocket or pouch, and while it might not look like much, in the hands of someone patient and smart, it becomes a lifeline. And let's be real, catching dinner with just a line and hook makes you feel like a true survivalist. Zippo Windproof Lighter. A fire can mean warmth, protection, cooking, and even psychological comfort. The Zippo Windproof Lighter is iconic for a reason. Unlike disposable lighters that fizzle in cold or wind, the Zippo thrives in extreme conditions. It's refillable, metal-bodied, and most importantly, reliable. This is the kind of tool you pass down, not toss out. Lighting a fire at 10,000 feet while snow is swirling around you. That's when you want this in your hand. It works when the weather turns against you and when your fingers are too numb to fiddle with matches. Add in that satisfying click and you've got more than a tool. You've got confidence in your pocket. Primus PrimeTech Stove. When you're cold, wet, and desperate for hot food, a reliable stove is non-negotiable. The Primus PrimeTech stove delivers with an integrated windscreen, pressure-regulated burner, and efficient fuel use that ensures you can boil water fast and cook properly, even in alpine conditions. Unlike some cheap camp stoves that fizzle out with a gust of wind or fail to ignite, this one is designed to perform when the weather isn't cooperating. The design maximizes heat transfer, meaning less fuel use and more consistent performance. It's built for real adventurers who understand that hot soup and warm tea can lift morale faster than a motivational speech. Tactical Tailor Rucksack. Your pack is more than storage. It's your mobile command center. The Tactical Tailor Rucksack is built like a tank but carries like a feather. Designed for military-grade use, it features heavy-duty zippers, MOLLE compatibility, reinforced seams, and an ample space to haul everything without straining your back. It balances load distribution, resists tearing and moisture, and adapts to any situation with customizable compartments. You could fall, slide, or bushwhack your way through a forest and this pack will still hold together. It's the quiet MVP of survival, holding your lifeline, your gear, and your sanity. Gerber Ultimate Survival Knife. No survival list is complete without a blade, and the Gerber Ultimate Survival Knife earns its name in every sense. Built for durability, it features a half-serrated edge, fire starter, hammer pommel, and even an emergency whistle integrated into the sheath. Whether you're cutting rope, skinning game, striking sparks, or defending yourself, this knife is ready for it. What makes it exceptional is its versatility. You can batten wood, slice open cans, or cut through thick brush with ease. It's not just a knife. It's a survival toolkit in one compact, indestructible form. It feels good in the hand, and even better when you're in trouble. Black Diamond Spot 400 Headlamp. Let's talk visibility, because when the sun goes down, the danger level rises. The Black Diamond Spot 400 headlamp illuminates pitch-black trails with its powerful 400 lumen beam. It features multiple brightness modes, a red night vision setting, and waterproof construction. Ever tried cooking, reading a map, or setting up camp in total darkness? It's not just frustrating, it's unsafe. This headlamp keeps your hands free and your field of vision clear. It's the difference between stumbling into a ditch or safely navigating terrain. And yes, it's also great when nature calls at 3 a.m. If this video helps you rethink your survival setup, hit that like button. It lets us know we're bringing value to adventurers like you. And if you have your own must-have survival tool that we didn't mention, drop it in the comments below. Sharing knowledge could literally save someone's life. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear breakdowns, wilderness survival tips, and adventure-ready guides that go beyond the basics. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out, because in survival, timing is everything.